Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the lower arm in your retractable downdraft vent, be sure to shut off the power to the unit. Detach the venting from the backdraft damper. Unthread the 4 screws securing the vent box cover. Slide the cover up to detach. Cut the zip tie to release the blower assembly power cable. Then disconnect the cable. Now support the bottom of the vent box and unthread the 7 screws on the top and sides, securing the vent box to the plenum. With the screws unthreaded, carefully lift the vent box and blower assembly off of the 2 bottom shoulder screws and away from the cabinet. You can now remove the nut securing the upper arm to the lower arm. Use a 10mm socket to rotate the nut clockwise to loosen, then fully unthread the nut. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 4 screws, securing the drive motor and switch assembly mounting plate to the plenum. Flip the plate over and rotate the lower arm to access the set screws. Use a 5/64" Allen wrench to loosen the set screws. Now rotate the lower arm until the notch in the cam is aligned with the white plastic actuator, and you can pull the old arm straight up to remove. Prepare the new lower arm for installation by partially threading the old set screws into the arm. Apply some white lithium grease to both sides of the cam, as well as on the opposite end of the arm. Now align the new lower arm on the motor shaft. Then rotate the arm until the notch in the cam aligns with the white plastic actuator. Confirm the arm is fully seated, then tighten the set screws. Rotate the arm so it's facing downward, then reposition the drive motor and switch assembly mounting plate on the plenum. Thread the 4 screws to secure the plate. Align the lower arm with the upper arm, then thread the nut counterclockwise and tighten. Reinstall the vent box and blower assembly by first feeding the power cable through the rear of the box. Align the bottom edge of the box on the shoulder screws. Support the box. Then rethread and tighten the 7 screws to hold the box in place. Reconnect the blower assembly power cable and use a zip tie to secure the cable. Reinstall the vent box cover by positioning it over the shoulder screws and sliding it down. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Reattach the venting to the damper. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the retractable downdraft vent should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.